So here is the geometry. This is the valve on the right side of the geometry, and this is kind of a rail. And we would like to study the dispersion of the methanol vapor from this valve to the right of the domain to the longitudinal section. This is the solid part, and I'm going to prepare an enclosure around this solid part. So select this first, and then the second part. The second part is basically the needle on the top of the valve. Okay. So on the bottom side, I'm going to put this to 0 because this is the end of my domain. On the left side, I'll just put it to 2. On the right side, I'm going to extend this to 5 or perhaps 6. Then it's going to be 2. This I'll put it to 3.5 or 3.4. And on the left side too. All right. And then if I make this invisible and just look at the enclosure design, I would like to make a cross section and see. Yeah. Now you can see that this valve is also extracted. So I think our geometry is ready. I just close this and I'll go to mesh. So in the mesh section, the first thing I would like to do is to do some name selection. So I'm going to hide these faces. So hide face, yeah. So what I'm going to do is to select actually this face and call it inlet, because this is the intersection of, if I hide this face as well, yeah. So that face is the inlet of my actually geometry. This is where the flow starts to inject. So I would call it inlet under the name selection, and then show hidden faces. So I call this left, right, up. So this is my wind inlet. This is where the wind starts to blow. And this is going to be my outlet. Okay. And then I can go to mesh, inflation, and put this to program control. And then just update the mesh. So the element size I have put to 0.15, and so I have gotten around 1.8 million cells, which is okay. Let's make a cross section. So hide this face, perhaps not this one, but the other one. Hide this face. Yes. And then I would like to make a cross section on the valve. New section plane. And then click on the mesh. And if I zoom here, you can clearly see that the valve is meshed perfectly. You can see the needle is there. The thickness of the valve is there. Everything looks good. Okay, so I can close this. All right, let's update this one more time. Now you can see that the mesh is updated. It's time to go to setup. So I'm going to use, actually select the double precision, and I'm going to have 28 processors. So I'll just start it. All right.